Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be up to our Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Anyway, so I say be oven baked chicken. Me chicken we na me tasty and it tastes really nice. Inti eno na ye be. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni na wo ho. Yes, that's it. Where your chicken medical ho from ho deda. Now the blended onion, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, anise, rosemary. What the all pepper season aka ho. Chicken season. Salt to taste. Little water. Now what mixing it together. We are no just for 1 hour and send your thought and I say wait me that chef feed me overnight. Baby when you more taste. Would you so ama 1 hour na do no. Now the oil ka cry den aye ho. Now the koto utri a wo be bake ye den e wo so. The oil kakra san den egugu so na dey share oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes na waji na wa serve. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Me na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try, and you can also add it to your Christmas menu. Now this is our oven baked chicken. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.